Dinchika, 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 dinchika. Summer mornings, juice is a must. Today, I'm going to make ginger, mint and lemon watermelon juice. The mint leaf, squeeze in lime and add pieces of watermelon and make juice out of this. This juice will get you through the day easily. Can you imagine Mirchi Bajji for breakfast? Yes, certain parts of Rayalaseema, Andhra, they love to eat mirchi along with Uggani, that is a puff rice masala. So first, I'm going to make a mixture. This is like a gunpowder but with fried chana dal. In this, add a little bit of jeera, some garlic and red chilli. Also add some salt, blend it into a coarse powder. For making Mirchi Bajji batter, take besan, the chickpea flour, add rice flour, Ajwain, chilli powder, pinch of cooking soda, add salt. First add very little water and make this into a thick paste. Then add little more water and make it to the right consistency that this should coat your finger. For making this puff rice for breakfast, add some oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. In this, add cumin seeds and also add chana dal. Now, when these things gets little fried, add curry leaf, chitta-pata, 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 chitta-pata. In this, add onion. Now, you can make your own variations. Add pinch of turmeric. In this, add green chilli. Now, in this, add tomatoes. Also add salt. Now, you got to take the puff rice and all you need to do is add water. Let the puff rice go into water and little bit and take the puff rice and put it on top of this. Do not soak it for a long time. Just they have to get little bit wet. Okay. Now mix all of this. So you have to adjust the seasoning. Whatever little bit moisture will be absorbed and make sure this becomes nice and hot. And the recipe is as simple as this. Some chopped coriander, squeeze in a little bit of lime juice and the powder, the masala powder, whatever I did, you can add a little bit here and later when you are serving on top of it, you are going to add more of it. So this is ready. Very tasty thing. Now let's make our Mirchi Bajji dinchik dinchik dinchik. The thing is, put the sexy mirchi into the batter. Make sure the batter is nice and perfect and wow, look at that. Let this coat the Mirchi Bajjis well. If the chilli is slightly exposed when you put the batter, that's when the Mirchi Bajjis will be too good. Fry them till they are nice and golden. Look at this, beautiful. Transfer it into a plate. On top of this, we're going to add this masala powder. If you want, you can also give little extra on the side. This is so tasty. Sprinkle some chaat masala onto your Mirchi Bajjis. To love Mirchi Bajjis, chopped coriander, and we have the juice also ready. So let's serve the queen. Make the best food and enjoy every day. Good breakfast, good lunch, good dinner. That is what is love life. The Mirchi Bajji. Aha. Puff rice. Wow. The full garlic flavor and all that awesome punch. Dear friends, Mirchi Bajji for morning breakfast is just amazing. Ding chick, ding chick, ding.